In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you monetize fair use videos? We're going to spend some time explaining exactly what fair use videos are, if you can or cannot monetize them, and some other ways that you can add some revenue streams to your YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you can monetize these types of videos. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. This video series is a part of a new YouTube channel that I recently launched called startthechannel.com. If you are interested in learning different ways to make money with your YouTube channel, be sure to head on over to that channel, check it out, and give us a subscribe. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First, let's talk about what fair use is. We're going to go right over to YouTube, figure out what fair use is, and if you can monetize it. So fair use, according to YouTube, it says fair use is a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyright protected material under certain circumstances without getting the copyright owner's permission. There aren't any magic words to automatically apply for fair use. When you use someone else's copyrighted work, there's no guarantee that you're protected under fair use. So basically, the best example that I can give you for fair use are channels that do reviews of TV shows. For example, I used to watch this YouTube channel about The Watchmen. The Watchmen was a TV show that showed up on HBO, and I had never heard of The Watchmen before, but everybody was talking about it, so I was trying to figure out what it was about. As you can see here, they created tons of content about The Watchmen, and in their video, they actually had clips of the TV show. And so this can be potentially harbored under fair use, where they're actually making sure the content is transformative. And if we go back over here, that's one of the biggest things that you have to do when it comes to creating fair use content, is make sure that the content is transformative. And what he would do is he would talk over movie clips, he would pause them, explain them, and make sure that there wasn't a lot of the actual original work, so the actual episodes, that was being played. He would spend a lot of time talking over it, giving his opinion and feedback, and that's usually, in some cases, in most cases, okay with fair use. But let's go ahead and answer the question that we've all been asking. Can you monetize them? So let's see. It says courts typically focus on whether the use is transformative, as I just said. That is, whether it adds new expression or meaning to the original, or whether it merely copies from the original. Commercial uses are less likely to be considered fair, though it is possible to monetize a video and still be fair use. So to answer your question, can you monetize fair use videos? The answer is yes, but before you click off, there are other and potentially better ways to make money with your YouTube channel. And to help illustrate that point, I'm going to bring up a website called Social Blade. And Social Blade basically gives us an idea of about how much money a YouTube channel makes. So we're going to take this channel here. I'm just going to copy it, and we're going to put it right into Social Blade. And we're going to use this as an example of how much money he could potentially make with other revenue streams. Now, the cool thing with this, and it actually says his income is $58. Usually Social Blade is pretty low, but you know, this is a ballpark. The cool thing with the other revenue streams that I will mention is that you can actually do these alongside with the YouTube Partner Program so that you can add multiple income streams to your YouTube channel. You can triple your money. So the first thing that we want to talk about is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that affiliate marketing works is you're going to go get your affiliate links from the affiliate program or company, and those affiliate links are going to be unique URLs to you. You're going to put your affiliate links in the description of your videos. People are going to click on your affiliate links, make a purchase, and you earn a commission. The largest affiliate program out there is Amazon Associates. It's attached to Amazon.com. And for this example, we're just going to use Amazon to help us illustrate how much money he could potentially make. So again, this Social Blade number is extremely wrong. I'm going to assume $58 for a channel of his size. He has 42,000 subscribers. I would assume that he'd be making more than that. Let's assume that he's making $1,000 a month. Now, that's probably pretty low for his channel, but let's go ahead and make that assumption. What we can do is go over to Amazon and we can look up different, I just typed in The Watchmen, and we could find different things to promote. We could promote a book, we could promote the actual movie. As you can see here, watch the Watchmen and HBO limited series. That is selling for $10 on Blu-ray. There are all sorts of other stuff that we could promote. There's actually a box set that I found here. This is $95, the collection edition. let's assume we're going to promote this one. This is actually a hardcover book here. Or let's go back up and do the DVD. Maybe people don't have HBO, but they want to get it, or they want to get it as a gift for their friend. Assuming that we would make a 3% commission on this product, we're going to take $10.99 and multiply that by 3%. So our commission would be 32 or 33 cents. Not a ton, but stay with me here. If we go back over to his videos, let's take a look at this video right here. I believe this is the last one that he uploaded. He got 21,000 views on this last video. And the cool thing is these videos are going to be up forever. His affiliate links are going to be up forever as long as he keeps the channel. What we're going to do is we're going to take 21,000 and we're going to multiply that by 1%. 1% are the percent of buyers that he's going to get from that video alone. So 210 people out of the 21,000. We're going to take 210. We're going to multiply that by 210, multiply that by 33 cents, and he's looking at an additional $70. Now that's actually more than he would make according to Social Blade, but stay with me here because there are other opportunities as well. So affiliate marketing is just one way. He could also be an affiliate for something like Fandango with movie tickets. Maybe he could be an affiliate for special movie chairs. There's all sorts of stuff that he could promote because his niche is all about basically TV shows and movies. He could also be an affiliate for something like Hulu. Hulu has an affiliate program as well. I think they pay $6 commission for any person you bring over. I'm not sure. I'd have to check that out. But he could be an affiliate for Hulu. I think HBO and TNT also have affiliate programs. He could do the research and find good affiliate programs for his niche. But that's just one way. Another way that he could make money is actually creating his own digital product. Now, he could actually sell, if he recorded his own behind the scenes stuff. Maybe he was on the set of Watchmen and he has the ability and the permission to sell that stuff. He could sell that as well. Again, you want to make sure that you are finding different things that are congruent to your target audience. He could actually sell, maybe he knows 21 facts about The Watchmen or The Handmaid's Tale that nobody else knows. He could package that up and sell it as a digital product. Now, if we do the math on that again, we're going to take 210 for The Watchmen. So we could take 210 and we're just going to sell his ebook for $5. 210 times 5, we multiply that, that's $1,050 from just one video. He created an entire series about The Watchmen, so he could potentially make that much more money. And again, he could do this again and again and again, where he creates books or different types of digital content based on the movies or the TV shows that he's reviewing. Again, he could do an entire ebook about the different facts or figures of different content, package it up and sell it. That's another way. So selling your own digital product. A third way that he could potentially make money. And if you don't know how to create your own digital product, you can actually hire someone over on Upwork. As you can see, these guys will actually create an ebook for you. Search ebook ghostwriter. They'll be able to take care of you for as little as $80. So that's another great way to make money. Another way to make money is you could actually create a merch store. Now, this is Teespring. There are other ones out there. I think spring.com has one as well. You basically could create merchandise. Now, you can't create merchandise on copyrighted material. You could create merchandise on your logo. You could create merchandise on all aspects of, maybe there's a saying, maybe there's a funny quote. You could actually create merchandise and sell that. So what you'd want to do is you could go over to Teespring, set up a merch store, and then you can sell backpacks. You can sell t-shirts, hats, just about anything. As you can see, a iPhone case in the back, you can package it up and sell it. If you have no idea what to do with regard to design, you could hop over to Fiverr and you could hire someone to do this for you for as little as $5. I just typed in t-shirt designing and there's all sorts of stuff out there that you could find that people are willing to design for you. You get this back, you give them some direction, maybe give them color scheme and all of that stuff. You get it back, you put it in your merch store, and then you can add a link right to all of your videos. You can add a link in your videos to the merch store. And once you get 10,000 subscribers, and let's see if he's doing it. Once you get 10,000 subscribers, you can actually add a merch shelf to your YouTube video. So it looks like that he is not doing this. And this is an opportunity that he could take advantage of to make money. And again, you want to make sure that you are creating content that's going to be relevant and congruent to your audience. And you don't want to just try and promote anything because people aren't going to buy. It has to be relevant to your target audience. So after that, you can also start a Patreon. Patrons are pretty common with YouTubers. And as you can see, the cool thing with Patreon is they have monthly reoccurring revenue. So if you have new content that is maybe higher than the free content you're giving away over on YouTube, you can make money this way. The only drawback to Patreon, and one thing that probably prevents me from starting a Patreon, is you need to come up with even more content. If you are uploading daily to YouTube and other social media platforms, it can be a challenge to create even more content, exclusive content, premium content over on Patreon. But as you can see here, they have everything from just like early access, discounts, all the way up to doing live streams. Maybe you could do a live Q&A about different content or different TV shows. That's an option as well. You can also make money with email marketing. Email marketing is going to help you make money because you can drive people back to your YouTube channel anytime you upload a new video. So that's going to increase the amount of money you make. You can actually send them an email and maybe do watch parties, build a real community. And it actually looks like he has a subreddit as well. He does have a Patreon too, if I look over here. He does have a Patreon where he's potentially making more money. As you can see, $2 a month, $5, $10 for different content. And so you can do this too. And this can be done alongside your YouTube partner program. This can be done regardless if your content is monetized or not. You can start all of this from day one, but just know that if you're doing something like a Patreon and you have no subscribers and no viewers, it's going to be difficult for you to build on and get people to join a membership level when you don't have a steady fan base that is growing every single day. So just to recap, you can do email marketing, affiliate marketing, you can sell your own digital or physical products, you can start a Patreon, you can sell t-shirts and other merch. So there's at least 5 different ways to make money. Now that we've covered all of the different ways to make money, if you want to learn how to start a successful YouTube channel, go to startthechannel.com, where I have a free YouTube channel checklist that will show you step-by-step how to start a successful YouTube channel. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.